swimming pool. And then may mga cabins. So, yung behind the Reka Cafe and Restaurant. May birds pala doon. Also, ito yung fish spa nila. Ito yung fish spa. Masyadong kita yung mga fish doon. Kasama na siya sa in-avail namin. So, we don't have to pay 700 or 1K pesos for that fish spa. Reka 2. May small playground din dito. Very small. Okay, magstay muna kami dito sa labas kasi inisprayan muna ng Lysol yung kwarto na sistayan namin. Kitchen area. And may dalawang rooms dito sa room na to. Ganito yung beds dito. It's a bunk bed. Tapos may bed pa dito sa baba. Here's the other room. Same lang. Bunk bed. This is the other room. Same bed sa kabilang room. Pero walang pull-out bed. Diba? Ready na mag-swim. Okay, so magbibihis na kami para mag-swimming. Swimming. Naligo na din ako. Walang hairdryer dito. So, nakatawal pa din ako right now. Adults turn to swim. Boodle fight! Our snack box. Nakahanap ako ng nachos and nacho dips. Salsa.
I want hi guys.
Do you wash my hair?
Hi guys.
So cute. Are you cute? Ganda. Kasama ko sa top bunk. Happening to my place.
I should chef crab.
Dos and Danny. You're so cute.
Yeah.
Currently 10:59, almost 11, and matutulog na kami. Good morning! Anyway, kakain na naman, and lunchtime. Kakain ng Boodle Fight. It's 5:30 and more swimming and more eating. It's 40 something and wala akong magawa, so more karaoke. Hi guys!
Hi guys.
Okay, pupunta kami sa sa Reka Cafe and Restaurant para tingnan yung live band doon. See, we're here. Tumasan kami kahapon ng morning. Paubos na yung food namin. This is cream cheese, Philippine pizza. Fries. This is strawberry beer matcha latte. And then beer matcha wrap. And then strawberry cheesecake wrap. Hi guys. Hinawakan ni Liana yung brace niya.
Happy birthday to you.
Morning agad. It's time to go home na. Pupuntahan daw niya yung parrot. Opsie!
Time to play.
It's almost lunchtime. Kakain kami sa Rustica. Watermelon cake. This is shrimp fried rice. This is my plate for now. This is ensaladang kangkong. Chicharong bulaklak, calamares, and yung shrimp fried rice. Pancit canton. Ripe mango shake. This is cream dory wrapped with bacon and sinigang na halo. This is what I ordered for my drink. Avocado shake. Pork sisig. And crispy pata. This is an iced tea. The aftermath